Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this lecture we will discuss about how to add address component in your screen flow. So let's take an example. I have an account object. When I click on this account object, when I click on this new button, so see there is a address information section like billings address and shipping address. So how to use this address section in your screen flow? Not dynamic, but you are using a screen flow, not using the calling the which resource that account resource and using this. No, I'm using only the screen flow where I add a component address section. Let's see how to do this. Okay, click on the setup object and open the flow in the quick find word search flow and open that flow. Okay, so let's quickly write it flow, new flow, and yeah, start from scratch, click next, click create. Okay, so in the add element, this is the screen bar. Click on this screen, add address. Okay, so firstly I have to take a section over there, so that section will be divided into two parts, and I want to include a header where what type of header I want what is this address information. Okay, address information. Okay, okay, so in the empty string there are to divide into two parts, that is 6.5, and 6 is I divided into two parts, that is when I also are divided into three parts, four parts, whatever you want. Four parts like this till we are in four parts. Let's say this I want only two parts. Okay, so okay, let's in the component search address and drag the component from the empty string and its name as billing address. Okay, API name will be billing address. Okay, label will be billing. Okay, billing address. Required is equal to true. See, billing address. Okay, after this same drag the component from the here to here and will be shipping address. Okay, it's the API name market underscore and shipping. Okay, shipping address. Just required is equal to true also. Okay, so okay, just click on done, just save this, add address in screen flow. Okay, just save this, just run to check whether it's working fine or not. Click on this run button. See, in the address section there is a billing address, there is a shipping address like this: ship state, city, zip, postal code, country, state, and shipping state. This like this. See, billing and shipping and billing. This billing wala billing me and shipping wala. This is how you can add the address section in your uh, screen flow. I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates. If you have any query or comments or doubts, please write down in the comment section. Thank you guys.